Hi, and welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Stoichiometry Lesson number 3. Again, remember our flow path. Okay, we're going to go from my grams to my moles to their grams. And you can go their grams to their moles to my grams. We can even go my moles to my atoms or whatever, or their moles to their atoms, or you can go from my atoms to my moles to their atoms. And there's a whole bunch of other possibilities too. Also remember that a mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd grams, atoms, molecules, particles, ion pairs, whatever. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd is Avogadro's number. All right, let's look at this first problem. How many moles of NH42 SO4 are in 6.60 grams of NH42SO4. All right, it's pretty standard. So the first thing I need to know is what is the molar mass of NH42SO4? And to figure that out, I simply go, there are 2 nitrogens. We have 8 hydrogens. We have 1 sulfur, and it looks like 4 oxygens. Okay, so we go times 14.01 times 1.01 times 32.07. In case you wonder where I get those numbers from, I'm looking at the periodic table. Times 16.00. So now I'm going to do the math. And when I do the math, I come up with 128.13 grams per mole for NH42SO4. Now that I know that, I can go from my grams right here to my moles. Simple. So I go 6.60 grams of NH42SO4 times 1 mole of NH42SO4 divided by its molar mass, which is going to be 128.13 grams of NH42SO4. So that cancels out, and we simply get our new number. When we do the math, we're going to get approximately 0.05 moles of NH42SO4. Pretty darn snarly. Now let's get the next problem, guys. All right, the next problem is very similar. How many moles of CaOH2 are in 4.5 kilograms of CaOH2? Ooh, so now we have to figure out the molar mass of calcium hydroxide. So we go Ca, got one of those, times 40, looks like 0.08. Yep, looking at the periodic table there. And then, of course, we've got 2 oxygens, each at 16.00. And we have 2 hydrogens at 1.01. So when we do the math, that is going to give me 74.10 grams. 74.10 grams per mole. Pretty darn snarly, huh? Yep. Oh, we got a problem. Look, we got 4.5 kilograms. We got to turn this into grams because everything's in grams per mole, right? So we go 4.5 kilograms times 1,000 grams, because there's 1,000 grams and 1 kilogram. So now we simply cancel out that, and that gives us 4,500 grams of CaOH2. Now all we have to do is convert 4,500 grams of CaOH2 times 1 mole of CaOH2 divided by 74.10 grams of CaOH2. That cancels out, and our answer is going to be 61 moles. Of CaOH2. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly. I will see you back here at Moosine Chemistry.